Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get fruit seeds in Heartopia. Okay, let's get started. So there are two ways to get seeds in Heartopia. First, you can get them as quest rewards, and second, you can buy them directly from an NPC named Plow. In this video, I will show you the buying method. First, just open your map and then just drag the NPC that named Plow, this one, like this, and then next just tap on track like this, and after that just go to the mark locations and talk to him like this, and then next just tap on chat like this, and then tap on gardening store, this one, and like this. You can directly buy any fruit seeds that you need as long as you have enough coins, and just choose the seeds that you want, buy it, and you are ready to start planting like this. Even it has a planter like this. And okay, that's how you can easily get fruit seeds in Heartopia. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.